Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial feels so much better today. Why? Because the sun is actually shining. So I'm doing a summertime tutorial when it is actually nice weather outside. Look, I'll prove it to you. Look at that. It is 22 degrees outside. Had to happen at one point. Today's tutorial is indeed following on from my last one, if you haven't watched it yet. A daytime summer glowing skin, whatever I called it, I can't even remember. It's really bad of me. Anyway, so, as you can see, it's a nighttime glam one, if the look is not too self-explanatory for you. So yes, I am indeed sitting in my house at 2:30 in the afternoon and looking like this. It's how I like to do my housework, what can I say? Okay, so moving on from ridiculousness. I actually haven't got much to say today. And I don't know why. I'm trying to think. Yeah, no. I don't know. No, I really don't have anything to say. So, wrapping this up nicely. Wherever you are in the world, I hope the sun is shining for you guys too. Now go. Go and enjoy the tutorial and I'll see you guys next time. How I manage to go all week with really beautiful skin, come to my first day off, which by the way is always filming day, and get the massive spot. Like, how is that universally fair? Oh. So first thing is first is moisturiser. Today it is indeed the Alpha H Liquid Gold 24-hour moisture repair cream. You know how much I love this shit. Dangerous path that I follow. So next up it is primer. So today, as always, because this is my ride or die primer, I kid you not, this is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This is the best shit in the world. So for foundation today, it is none other than the Ordinary Colours. You know this is my favourite. Decay though, please. Make me a bigger bottle. I go through these like in weeks. Please. So my colour is 2.1Y. Concealer. It is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. My colour is in medium neutral. All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Just do what you do. Now to be setting all of that, I am going to be using this. This is the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Banana. Now to be setting my entire face, I am going to be using the Nars Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Powder. For bronzer today, it is the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. This is the Deep Tan Matte Bronzer. So, to give myself a glow, today I will be using this. If you're new to my channel, it's my favourite thing ever, okay? So this is the NYX, the NYX, whatever we call it, is the Holographic Halo Finishing Powder, and this one is in Magical. So it looks like that. It's so beautiful. So for highlighter, it is indeed the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this one is in Sun Dipped. So for my eyebrows and the inner corners of my eyes and my nose, I will be using Summer. Okay? So for my cheekbones, I will be using Moonstone. Never give up hope. I always believed there was someone else. Eyebrows. It is none other than the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This colour is in 5. So in true summer fashion, it is indeed the Morphe 350 palette. It's been a while, hasn't it? First thing is first, the crease. So in true summer fashion, I'm going in with the orangiest colour ever. Oh god, I miss this so much. Okay, so first off, I'm going to go in with this one here. Now, if you own this palette, which I'm sure you do, it's the most orangest colour in the palette. As always, I will be listing all my brushes that I use down below because I always forget one, and I hate inconsistency. Inconsistency sucks. So next up, we're gonna go into the actual crease. Best way I know how to describe that. And we're gonna go in with this color right here. Right, so now for the lid. I am going in with this brown here. It's a very neutral brown. As you can tell, I've used this one, and then this one. Make things really easy. It's all on the same line. So yes, this brown lid. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness. Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. Now for the under eyes. Right, I'm going to go straight in with this red, which is the red that we used the second time. I'm going to put that all across. Right, so last part, I promise. So, we're going to go stay really close to the lash line this time, and we are going to go in, back in with that brown that we used for the lid. Done. So for eyeliner, I am going to be using this one. Excuse me, this one. This is the MAC Chromographic pencil. Studio Chromographic pencil, whatever. Anyway, so this is in the color NC15 and /NW20. Now this is to brighten up eyes, and I love this shit. When I am tired, shit's like magic. So for mascara today, I will be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So for lashes today, it is bigger the better. I'm not joking. So today it is the unicorn lashes. These are the majestic ones. So next up is lips. So for lip liner today, I will be using the Barry M lip liner. This one is in 16, I believe it is Toast, but do not quote me on that. But anyway, it's this one. Now because I'm going to go in with a liquid lip, I like to use this. This is a La Roche-Posay Barrier Repairing Balm, but that's the actual name. The Cicaplast Lèvres. Got no idea how to pronounce that. Anyway, if you want to know how to get rid of bumhole lips, because that's a real thing, yeah, go watch my last tutorial, the summer glowing skin one. My liquid lipstick today, it is the Huda Beauty one, and this one is in Crush. So last up, it is indeed setting spray. So today I will be using the MAC Fix It Plus. This one is in Coconut and it smells divine. So that's it from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial, and most importantly, I hope you learned something. Now, if you've liked what you've seen today, please, please, please subscribe. Now that's it. I'll see you guys next time. If you